Okay, here we are on the Star Trek. I'm going to do this test. As required, my service guys asked me, check switch 62. Okay, that is, which is the kicking out. This is interesting. F8 looked into the manual, and F8 doesn't exist. So I don't understand why it's asking for that. Okay, that's for sure. Those don't work. They're in the wrong position. I'll check those in a minute. And, alright, so here we go. We're going to check this switch 62, and look what I found. Is it going there? See, this somebody has done work here before. Somebody's done work there. Also back there. You can see. And one screw is missing right there. So somebody's had this board off before. Not me, because I don't do this. I have never taken this board off. Alright, so let's have a look. I'll check it in and come back. Alright, I'm going to demount this little switchboard assembly. I'm a little wondering about this soldering connection. But I think the guys should have to do that. I don't know what... and it looks like there should be. I'll show you when I get it off. It looks like it should be a connector and not done like that. So something has happened. And interesting, like somebody forgot the screw, or it vibrated or fell right off there. Should be a screw right there. Okay, take this off and back. Okay, here we go. Those are LED switches, according to the manual. I don't know if they're working or not. I don't know how to test them. I don't have the testing bits. And it looks like originally should be connected by this connector here. And someone has made a repair and done it by on the backside on the terminals. Right there. Okay, so not really clear, but we'll try something. Hold on. Okay, if you look there, this is the other side of the switch. I've got it turned on, and it still says there's a problem with the switch. Check it. Onto this board, it's jumpered. Instead of in the proper connector, it's jumpered from there and into this board here. Now that would need to be, and you can't pull that connector off, and I don't know if that's kind of moving on some of those bits, so I don't know how well that's been soldered, or could be a solder cold joint, could be, you can see, look, there's more solder in there. The guys are gonna have to go through that. Yep. But the problem is in this assembly, it's kicking out too many balls, and that is apparently what checking that switch in the test mode is saying. So, see, you can see the balls all lined up here. There's an LED photo switch or something like that that checks if the ball is in there. All the way back, 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. Let's see, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Which there is 6 balls for this game. Alright, checking something else now. Okay, here's the, this is the motor for the launchers. And it looks like there's a switch here. It looks clean. That's what it looks like. It's, for me, that it stops, or the return home position. I'm just checking the switch. Seems to be free. I will check it in operation here in a minute and have a look. Let's check the other side. The other one's over here, so we're going over there now. Alright, looks like the switch for this one is right here. Looks good, but it keeps on going and going and going. Alright, so what we're going to do is I'll start it up, lower the field back down, because now I don't want to do it like this, and try it again. Yeah? Alright, there's the right, which is that one. And he just keeps on going.
Space, the final frontier. These are the voyages of the